Hello, boys and girls, and happy Tuesday. Make sure you have your paper from yesterday and something to write with. Your name's already on the front, so let's do the date. If yesterday was May 11th, then today is going to be May 12th. Good, so I'm going to write 5-12-20. And once you have your date on your paper, your word today is the word jet. Write the word jet. Making sure you're saying all the sounds and then write them down. If you need more time, pause the video. We're going to keep going. So let's stretch it out. Here we go. Ready? Hands up. Jet. Say it fast. Jet. Go ahead. Let's count it on our fingers. Ready? Jet. How many? 3. Good. Let's say it. What's the first sound in jet? J, j, j. Like in jug, letter J. J. Like Emmanuel. E. Remember, letter J, it needs to break through the ground and make a monkey tail. Letter E stays at the floor. J. Like pencil. Letter T, you gotta start at the ceiling. Making sure you have the correct letter formation. Jet. Starting to think of some Remember, for it to be rhyming, it has to have the same middle and ending sound. So it's gonna say et. And our goal is to have a real words, not silly words. If you thought of one, go ahead and write it down. I'm gonna write the word met. Jet, met. Met. Okay, my friends, let's do our sentence. We're almost done. Did you see the jet in the sky? Say it with me, ready? Did you see the jet in the sky? Say it by yourself, count how many words. Okay, let's do it together, ready? Did you see the jet in the sky? 5 and 3, how many? 8. I know our sentences are getting so much bigger because you guys are almost in first grade now. Okay, did. Did is one of our sight words. You should know how to write it. Tell me, how do we write the word did? D-I-D. Making sure when you start your sentence, you need to start with a capital letter. Good. D-I-D. Did. Spaceman, what comes next? You. Good. Use a sight word. How do we write it? Y-O-U. Good. Writing the word you. Let's read it. Did you see? How do we write it? S-E-E. Good. Yeah, we have lots of sight words in this sentence. You should be able to write this by yourself. I think the only word that's not a sight word in this sentence is jet, but it's our word of the day, and sky. Okay, did you see the? How do we write the? T-H-E. Good job, boys and girls. Let's read it. Ready? Did you see the jet? Write the word jet. That's your word of the day. One more time, making sure your letter J, it needs to break through the ground. And letter T starts at the ceiling. They should not be on the same lines. Did you see the jet in? Good. How do we write in? I-N. Let's read the whole thing so far. Did you see the jet in the? You know how to write the. Tell me. T-H-E. Good. Let's read it. Did you see the jet in the sky? Sky is kind of a tricky one, so I'm going to tell you how to write sky. It's S-K-Y. So let's write it again. Ready? S-K. Making sure letter K, it starts at the top. And then Y. Remember, letter Y is going to break through the ground. Sky. Good, let's read it. Did you see the jet in the sky? What do I need here? Not a period, this isn't a sentence. We are asking a question, so what do I need? Good, a question mark. If you said that the first time, I couldn't trick you. Nice job, boys and girls. Remember, you need to read it to 2 people in your family. And I will see you again tomorrow. Bye, guys. I miss you.